heavier deck of cards. But before, I'm going to show you a trick. I'm going to introduce you my wallet. Right? So, sa wallet na ko ay kwarta and also a card na naka-fold 4 times. It's called a mystery card. Kaya wala nakabalo kung saan ay na-card. Right? Pero, kunya, ato ni siya i-open.
Okay.
But this time, ako siyang iputang sa auto.
Alright, sige, sige. Sure, sure.
Wait lang. Okay. And this time, I need a card chosen. So, akong i-mix ang card like this. Ingon lang kag stop ano mo gusto.
Okay, okay. Stop.
Okay, stop na right here. Memorize this card.
Ay, sabi? Pakita ko.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay. Now, kaning card ay mong gipili, I will put it in the middle. Kita na to, right? Now, watch carefully, kabantay ka ganina sa akong wallet na naka-fold, a mystery card. Uto ka na kanimo gipili karon na para the same sa naka-fold na mystery card sa akong wallet. That would be amazing, right? Pero mas amazing kung mubalik ka sa time na nagawit pa ko pila ka right here.
La.
Kung nadiri ang pitaka, that means in my wallet, ay in my bag, it's a deck of cards. And of course, may mystery card right here. Bao na to ang mystery card. Ladies and gentlemen, sa tayo mong card?
8 of hearts. Look, yati.